Hi everyone. Hello. So what? Right now is what, the 4th of July for me, and now I'm just here, not at a fireworks show, but or whatever 4th of July is do, like my entire family's doing, but instead I'm just staying here in the code mines again. But, I guess this is what I get when I play Fortnite for, what is it now? Let me see. Um, one, two, three, 4 times in a row. Four, not even 4 times in a row, 4 days in a row straight. And now my procrastination has finally caught up to me, and now I have to work. Oh, wait, no, I just realized, I just realized, there's just a giant stretched out picture of Gigi Muden still there. I cannot it's not like I can, like, exactly, like, be super entertaining, I guess, because, like, I'm gonna have to think. So, but feel free to just chill, I guess. Yeah, true. God bless Gigi Mudin, for real. My favorite, my favorite, honestly. God. Okay, I swear, this entire day has just been, like, I don't know, it's been, like, really, I guess, sort of lonely in a way. Like, there's literally been, like, nothing to do. Hold up. Okay, not like nothing to do, just like let's update. Place resetting submodule. What? Did not contain. What? What the hell are you talking? Okay, hold up. Pulling, pulling. How that? Can I pull? Hello? Place. Pull. Did I fetch? Hello? Pull. Discard. What? What the hell are you talking about? You would go on the second monitor, but I'm not at my setup, so picture in picture photo day. Yeah, fair enough. God. You did mention that you're going somewhere. It's been a long time since I've been here, but I've gotten through my uh whatever you call, like, an art block, but, like, for programming. A programming I mean, programming is still, like, an art form in a really twisted, fucked up way. But, you still have to be creative with it. I'm trying to hold on. Let me see something. So, let's see. Can I pull? No, no, no. I don't. Okay. Please pull. Right? Did it? Can I discard changes? Hello? Upload. Not our ref. Fetch. What? What the hell are you talking about? All right, hold up. All right. It's auto avoid playing Fortnite. Speaking of playing Fortnite, I was okay. I could have played Uma Musume or Fortnite, but, like, I don't know. It's just that Fortnite grind. That, like, Fortnite might. I don't know. I am so I am so goddamn addicted to Fortnite. I haven't even done my Save the World dailies yet. All I did was just hop on Battle Royale and just do, like, ranked, which at this point might as well just be my casual. Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. What am I looking for? I forget. Um, what's the error I got here? Upload pack, not our ref get. What a pain. Let me see. Alright, Stack Overflow, help me. So you deinitialized. Okay, I see. Huh. Did I forget? Hold on. Did I forget something? Hold up. Let me check something. Let your whimsy wings soar. Dilly dally in ranked games. True. Yesterday, and, like, and after I got off the stream because I was feeling kind of tired and, like, not, like, yeah, I wasn't, like, real yappable or something like that. I like literally all I did was just go. I went to Fortnite rank with my friend, and then I just there's one comp game where all we were doing is like we killed like what like 6 people or something like that, or like some number above like 5, and then like halfway through the game we just started like jam tracking, and then somebody saw us and then tried to kill us. I mean they did, but like they almost died. So I don't know. I feel like that's a wee bit embarrassing. Just a wee bit. But it's fine though. Let me see. I'm currently trying to fix my issues right now. Submodules. What? Oh, I forgot to push. Am I stupid? There. God. No wonder. Alright. How about now? Let's see. Pull. How about that? Alright, there you go. God. That's on me. How did they even allow that? God damn. Got an R farm in them for real. Dude, they had to add the R farm pistols to what? To what do you call it? Like range just reload in general. They have the R they have like a aura farming pistols in like in like a ranked normal battle royale, but like no one plays that. Like what, a total like 6,000 people there as compared to like 60,000 people in like ranked reload. So it's really hard to find like normal like ranked battle royale matches. No one plays ranked battle royale anymore for some reason. I mean, honestly, justifiably so. It is not like the best environment to be in. I can't lie with you. Not to force your yapping hand, but what is your favorite jam track to break out into randomly? All right, either like Freebird or like Idol you also be like either one. Usually a mix of both. They specifically like Idol drums and like Freebird lead or lead. My bad. They legitimately just fit in with anything. Though I mean, if anything, I can just do I can like adjust, but that's what I usually start off with. TBH. God. Need to check some other things. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, my moderator is not up. I think I'm gonna have to moderate this myself. I went out of my way to bit Buddy Holly, so I forced that bit. True as fuck. I thought you said you weren't gonna like spend any money or something like that. What happened to that? Oh jeez. Alright. Yappy, 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 yap, 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 yap. Wait, no, that's a completely wrong thing. Hold up. I need to work on this. Is what I need to work on. Okay, measure, blah, blah, blah. What? Get MS range for time change. Array. Wait, am I fucking stupid? Hold up. I need a... Huh. I wonder. What if okay, P index... This will be a const, because why would I need a, Huh. I mean, honestly, you could just do that normally, so you know what, fuck it. Actually, damn. I'll add it anyway. Convenience. Speaking of the song, not like unrelated to the song, more just like Jamie Page in general. I haven't listened to Bird Brain yet, and I don't know when I'm gonna. I just listen to things that just pop up in my YouTube music. To be honest, when did this start? I did not get a notif, dude. It started like at 101, bro. I bought the festival battle pass but that was with the V-Bucks I already had on my account. But I may have put a cheeky $20 in. Look, all I'm saying, if you ever get if Miku ever gets in the shop, you should get it. Or like, honestly, like, I don't know, anything honestly, but especially Miku. I mean, in terms of like actual Fortnite like non-collab skins, like Raven Team League is probably my favorite, but that don't count right now. $19 Fortnite card. True. True as fuck. God damn. These all just have the same parameters, right? Hold up. Like, I could just... Actually, no, I need to do this first. Hold up. These really are just a simple, like copy and paste, honestly. God damn. There's a P time and an MS time. There you go. But now, as for, what? These have all the same parameters. All these four. So, let me just copy, paste all of those. What's wrong now? What? Oh, this one isn't const, right? Fair enough. Did it do it? Did it do it? Why didn't it update? What the fuck? What? Alright, hold up. It probably just does this. No, it's still doing it. For some reason, in like the upload version, I've noticed that they try to emulate Utao Teto by with Synthv Teto, even though like in the actual MV they do actually you know, this isn't a VSC issue. This is like completely different. I have some parameter out there that's wrong for some reason, and I don't know what the hell that is. I'm trying to figure that out right now. Did you ever try other IDEs? I not right now. I really, oh my god, this fucking Freedom Dive. Sure, alright. Look, I really need the ability to just have both C++ and C# color coding, honestly, as of right now. Like it is like imperative to me that I have that shit. So do I hold up. Do I just have to restart VS Code? I swear to god. Okay, yeah, that really is what I had to do. Alright, fair enough. I guess it just does that. Alright, let's see now. MS range, right. So this is already like pre-decided for you. Let's see. Let's error shit. Don't writer or VS support both? I'd write honestly, the thing with writer and VSC, with writer and VS is that it feels kind of heavy for what I'm doing as of right now. So, you know. There's just something about VSC that just feels light enough for me right now. Whenever I'm done actually porting code and stuff, that's the point where I'll switch to to either write or a VS. So that's kind of the thing with that. Must be above or equal to... You know what? Fuck it. There you go. I hope they get that. Hopefully. And then as for this, error, fail, condition, message, I'm thinking. A P index is, what? So we got data, so, blah blah blah, something like that. Index is out of bounds. There you go. I'll probably just copy that for, like, every single, little thing. I meant time change. Yeah, you can jump. Yeah, you can do that, yeah. Fire? For real. God damn. So... Alright, in that case, F... P index... Actually, you know what? Hold up. Could just be... Index specified is... Let's see... Is... What's a good error message for this? Has no endpoint. There you go. Hell yeah. Actually, no. They could still has any regardless, so, I will just add a bound and then... Yeah, alright, I'm gonna go with my original idea. Pnx equals data size -1. Then, let's... Then, what? So, at this point, we'll, P range... resize to 2... And then P range 0 is gonna equal... let's see. What am I thinking? Ref, RubyCon, time change, blah 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 blah. Data. P index. And then that's just gonna be 1, I guess. Actually, wait. The fuck am I doing? Hold up. Oh, right. I should probably, what? If validate data. If not validate data, then return. And then for this, There's MS range, right? Yeah, alright. So, MS time. Well, there you go. Something like that. And then we could just return it like this. So this just automatically gonna be this. But as for the others, huh. What the hell was I gonna use this for again? Doesn't matter. Let's see. For I int, blah, 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 blah. I love your for loops. Yep. P index plus 1. Data size. Actually, no. What am I doing? So, otherwise, P range 1 is what? Love them for loops for real, yeah. There you go, and then we'll just, copy that for, there you go, for measure, but this is just gonna be time. Time. There you go. Huh. I was never mind. Oh, right, I forgot to change this, step. There you go. This is where things are gonna get a little bit more complicated. So right here, shit, okay, so... int I, blah, 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 blah. This is where I need my little for loops. There you go. So let's do a little bit of this. Current data. Trying to see something right now. I don't know, what a pain. I wonder if Steam's doing alright for y'all. Never actually checked. Beat count. There you go. And then, what? Current, and then... gotta add a little bit of... Wait, okay, so if I equals P index, then... let's see. P range 0 is gonna be... current... no. It's just gonna be beat count. Then, if, no. I mean, yes? I don't even know at this point. Shit. Wait, no. I have to thank me when I think. Ma. Okay, so regardless, this beat count is gonna go up by... I did the math right here. There you go. Yep. Hashtag sigh. Oh yeah, I don't have a next. Whatever. What if I don't want a next? Fuck that. Ref Rubicon time change. Data I plus 1. Um, 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 uh. You know, I know okay, I figured this is just because I played a lot of OC before, but I feel like I've heard this song before. It's probably like a Z song again. There's so many. Not that I can blame them. So if it's the next one. Then P range 1 equals B count. I think at that point I could just... what? Break. There you go. Hell yeah! It's just G? Yeah. Yeah, actually, yeah. Okay, no, I checked. Yeah, it's definitely... It definitely is. It's that type of mix today. Yeah, up until this point, like, I've like... No, I don't know. Every... like... most of my waking hours, I guess, it's like, I've just kind of, like, okay, it's probably because it's the 4th of July and nobody, and, you know, but, like, nope, like, I don't know, like, nobody's, like, nobody's, like, nobody was I don't know, nobody was available to hang out for, like, for like, a little bit, and I got really lonely, and I got on Fortnite, I, I got on Fortnite, ranked solos, like I said earlier, and, I don't know, like, okay, I play solos with like some sort of audience and then I have fun, right? But like just playing solos but completely by yourself I don't know, it feels is that wrong to say that it feels kind of lonely? I don't know. Probably not, but you know, that's how I feel about it. It's just for step data, so yeah, alright. Fair enough. And as for bind methods, I wouldn't play solos like that. Yeah, I usually play solos with like some sort of audience, like just someone I can talk to. You know, it makes it more fun that way, in my opinion. But you know, maybe not everyone's like that. Maybe some people actually do just play like completely alone. Which, like, you know, I don't know. I don't feel like the best about that. You know, whatever. Okay, so the only legitimate property here is probably just gonna be data. Class DB. Okay, so these are gonna be for getters and setters. Alright, so let's bind. Alright, I need D method to mark some little things. There you go. Rubicon time change array. Set data. There you go. And next up, we gotta get data. Rubicon time change array. Get data. And alright, this is probably gonna be the only actual property here. So add property default. No, actually, I gotta do a little property info. variant array data, and then hint property. I guess property hint array type, and then what's a good one? Right. Make resource type hint. Rubicon chime change. There you go. And then for the setter, it's just gonna be a little get data. Your little dudes at the bottom of the stream are so chill. I fuck with them heavy. Yeah, right? I call them my little shark grams. I had it like in a reference sheet somewhere on Twitter. Cause I think that's how Torsing like super cute. So that's kind of what I call my little fan base. My very limited fan base that I have. I always wondered how does you having to work? Because I tune into my own stream. You know, like as you know, as I should. I should make a gif of you patting on your lap. That'd be so cute. Legitimately, I'd love that. I'm trying to MS, and then time, and we gotta do a little bit of oops. At MS, there you go. Hell yeah! Copy this little thing, like, what? 1, 2, 3 times. Because they're essentially the same thing, but, you know, the suffix is a little different on these. And, you know, they function completely differently, but, and do very different things, but, you know, same parameters, whatever. Let's just make my job a little bit easier. At beat, at step. There you go. And then a little bit of this whole thing. Hell yeah! Alright. Bind method. Oh shit, I gotta do the range stuff too. Excuse me. Goodness. Hold up. This song is so chartable. Most of these are just okay. Let's just be for real. Like most of these are probably just like Osu's Osu songs that you know have been seen before on like Osu. Just very like fast paced type shit, you know. It just be like that. God damn. Well, I'm checking something right now. Sorry. I've been here for a little bit. Especially just, you know, playing fucking Fortnite, so just how it be. Yeah, misrange or time change. I wonder when's the last time I've been to like a proper 4th of July party. haven't in like a very long time, honestly. Like God, wait, I could just hold up. I forget. I could just copy and paste this. What the hell am I doing? Boop boop boop. There you go. Get MS range. What would I? You know what? That that'll work just fine, honestly. They all have like the same parameters anyway. Well, actually, yeah, my job is done now. At least there. Register types. You register you. So include Rubicon time change. Array. There you go. Then we should register this class. It is gonna be called Rubicon time change array. Oh shit, my bad. There you go. Alright. Now for the moment of truth. Does this work? Oh yeah, that's right. I increased the number of cores I had on this VM to 12 instead of 8 because you know apparently my CPU just has 24 whole goddamn cores for some reason. And you know, I mean, I think that's awesome. IMO. Are shardgrams aware that exist? Do they have that intelligence? I mean, normally they have like a little webcam mic somewhere in their bodies. But then there's also like, but then they can also like communicate like I guess like telepathically I guess through like Bluetooth. Or like that's what I like to believe anyway. You know, that's just how they discover each other. Like IMO. God. Oh god, it had to be Bluetooth. Yeah, how like okay, how else would you talk to multiple people at the time? The Bluetooth devices ready to pair? Yeah. Look, you can only be connected to one Wi-Fi. You can only be connected to like one Wi-Fi network at the same time. That's not the case with Bluetooth. You can connect like so much shit with Bluetooth at once. Let's be like for real here. As long as they're in range, of course. The Bluetooth range is not like you know, it's not like that good, but you know. That should be explain the delay on the stream, right? It's Bluetooth. Yeah. Also, just because you know, I'm in a very remote location in the middle of nowhere. Let's just say. Okay, I'm not in the middle of nowhere. I'm in a pretty urban city, or I guess suburbs, but you know, whatever. It could be like anywhere. Oh, it's done. I didn't realize. Hold on, my bad. I'm so. What did my OneDrive? Right, I didn't sign into it. Yeah, set up OneDrive. No, I don't think so. I think I'll be fine. TBH. Alright, does this work? I hope it does. Fucking hope it does anyway. Goddamn. The one Rubicon project you have, and it's fucking Friday Night Funkin'. What a tragedy. Please do not crash. Oh my god, please. That's the last thing I need right now. I guess it just takes a little bit to do that. I suppose. Maybe. To be fair, it could be anything on here, but you know, it's probably the conductor that's on here. If I won't lie, that's why it usually just hangs like that. But you know, it shouldn't do that. But you know, it's something to do with like these getters and setters. Let's see. Huh. I'm thinking. Sorry. Set time. Right. Honestly? Okay, hold on. I have an idea. Let's see something. What if I just set if uh if not playing then no, okay, if playing then set time. It should just be as simple as that, honestly. Goodness me. Hold up, I'm looking at something right now. You know, in like hindsight, I probably should have oh, it's done. I probably should have put what I'm working on in here, because I don't think it's like super clear here. Goodness me. Yeah, edit normally. We'll be fine, probably. Did I fix it? It's not fixing it. Why is it not fixing it? I swear to God, hold up. Right, I cannot do that for some reason. Alright, great. We're gonna FNF, blah, 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 blah. So, was it testing? There you go. Let's see, okay, so I do have a time thing there. Huh. Hold up. So, in that case, I probably don't want to mess with time in any way, or something. I don't know. Shit. Alright, so it's not a playing issue. That's okay. No, this is fine. It's mainly with set time that's the issue. So, huh. Alright, so let's see. If let's just do like an if playing, then we should do this. How about that? That should work pretty well. Alright, hold on while I change I'm gonna change the title of this thing. I have to do there you go. Now I'm more specific. Wowie. Oh, goodness me. Sorry, I'm looking at something right now. Sorry. Gotta allow the mysterious crash with no errors. Yeah. What the hell happened now? Okay, hold up. Sorry, my bad. Let's see. Methods, information, actions. Oh, because right. My bad. There you go. It's something to do with set time. That's what I know for sure. So let's just not. Okay, let's just not immediately have it on playing. Playing is probably just gonna be like an. I want to say. Okay, it's not gonna get saved. That's for sure. But it's not like editor only. You know. So. Huh. Alright, let's see. Edit normally, right, yeah. A goddamn shame. I had to... Oh my god, are you serious? Okay. Let me check something really quickly. Alright. So, if I... Hold up. So, let's have... Bring in testing back in here. Let's just not have this specifically. Okay, there you go. Okay, yeah, okay. That's an issue. So, it's something to do with set time. No, okay, I think I might know what it is. Hold up. I think... Okay, I think it's just the try and true, like... Going into a for loop forever. But, let me see, just to make sure. So, on Rubicon Conductor, right? Last time, Huh. So it's getting stuck in a while loop somewhere. That's what I can tell for sure. Honestly, okay, hold up. I need to put the time. I need to make I need to strategize just to where I put the I put. I have to put the time changes first. I guess in a way. How about that? There you go. All right, let me just remove this for now. Let me see if this should work. I think there's just not like an existing Actually no. Why would that even matter? Hold up. No, hold up. So, think can. Time change. Okay. So that's set time. Okay, but you set time with that too. Okay, all right. Oh my, is this fucking Megalovania? Alright, hold on. That sounded too close to Megalovania. No, it is. God. Oh, that's really stupid. I don't feel like listening to... I don't especially feel like listening to fucking Megalovania right now. Why the whole initializing int with a negative 32-bit limit, by the way? Because I was thinking like the beat step and measure can be negative in like a fucked up sort of way. Because like what, how to explain this? Because if like whenever I plan on doing a countdown, I want it to be like I want it to go like at like -3. I want the beat to be like -3. You know what I mean? So I guess in a way. I'm not sure if that makes any sense. I don't know if that even makes sense to me now, but you know, that was my thought process behind it. It's probably something fucked up like that, but you know, whatever. Ah. Excuse me. Is there a need to set it to that though? I think it was because I was doing like the last step, last beat, last measure things. So there's no like inconceivable way that the last beat step measure would actually be -2. Not like realistically anyway. So at least that's what I like to believe. Or maybe that's just the issue in general. Hold on. Did I fix this? Did I fix this? Did I fix this a while ago and I just forget to push it? Hold on. It may just be looping like that. Hold on. Ha. Anytime now. Please. Alright, there you go. Nice. Alright, let's see if this, Wait, yeah, that's right. I gotta put this back in. Alright, launch Godot. Yep, there you go. Alright, does this work without freezing the entire thing? Yes, it does. Okay, literally all... Alright, literally all that happened was that, you know... Also, it's probably not safe to loop it 2 billion, 2 billion and a half times, times 3. But yeah. Yeah, it works alright. I wonder. Um... Alright, don't save. I want to check something. In process, right? No, I was just waiting for you to notice. What the fuck are you talking about? You literally, yeah, I swear to God, I've like never seen you do that before. I don't know. I don't know. I fuck with that type of talk. I don't know. It sounded strange coming from you, but you know, feel free to do whatever you want. Considering I don't know. Not that you're a bother. Just you know, in my mind, you're usually more like straightforward. I guess the more straightforward voice in my head. I'm thinking. Where's notification? What the fuck? Seriously, where is it? Hold on. Find validation. Blah 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 blah. Notification. Here you go. So if not playing, return. Okay, so I'm thinking. Sorry. Ma. Yeah, I was gonna check for any like null type shit. Let me see. So if validate time change list. Actually, I probably have to. I probably want to do something about this soon. But you know, return. No, okay. If not validate change list, then return and no. Okay, set playing to false, and then actually no. I should do the the method. There you go. Hell yeah. Yeah, I wonder. I wonder what sub points I can actually do. I don't know, but you know. Alright, so let's see. I need to change to like validate time change list because you know I have a whole like class dedicated to that now, so I should probably be using it. What? Why is it not? Okay, hold up. What? Okay, alright. That's slightly confusing. Why is it doing that? If not, validate change list. Set playing to false and then return. Right. So why is it not doing that? Holy shit, Teto. I should add. Okay, hold on. Before anything, I'm gonna add a bool is valid. Const. There you go. I never actually get a chance to actually listen to a fucking Tetores like that often. I mean, I don't listen to it. Hold up. It's valid, right? That is, okay, good. I can do that. $100 Pookie bucks for funny text? True. True as fuck. God damn. Oh my god, I just realized I have infinite I have infinite channel points for myself. Who would have guessed? Dude. Ah, goodness me. What am I looking? Oh yeah, it's valid. Huh. So, I remember here, I made it pop like an error or something. So, let's see. Yeah, right. Can I just return like an error or something? Like, okay, how does this work? Let me see. Let me go like file access. Fail though, yeah. Let's see. Oh shit, hold up. Okay, wait. I could honestly just do like. There you go. Yeah, that'll probably help. So where do I get the error? Yeah. Okay. Oh, error. There you go. Enum. Enum. Okay. I could use some agent. Then what do I use for conductor? Let me see. Out of bounds. Alright. So is there like an out of bounds type thing? Huh. Okay. I don't think so. So I can't just make an exception like that. Alright. You know what? Fuck it. I could. Why not? There you go. Data, and then data... excuse me. Data needs to have at least one time change. Right. Null or not valid. Yes. There you go. But for now... Because this is like internally processing, right? Internal process. Get time. Hold up. I could just... Hold up. Well, actually, cause that wouldn't even... Okay, hold on. Ha. I'm thinking. Uh... The real problem is, why isn't it internally processing? Hold on, I could just do a... How do I do this? On case notification... Notification ready. Then, let's just set process internal to true. That'll probably be a good idea, right? Surely. Surely it'd be. Just saw the message, you got 2K. God damn! Nice. Goodness me. Alright, hold up. There you go. Alright, that should bode pretty well. Yeah, that'll do it alright. Hold up. Alright. No problem. Ah, I see. That's the issue. Okay. Hi, Miss Annie. Hi, Grandpa Pesto. How'd you find this? I'm in the programming minds. Okay. If you're not caught up, oh, I see. Right. Of course you would. Okay, look. Okay, I'm like permanently stuck in the art mines, but I've been like procrastinating on my programming work. Like, I've been playing Fortnite for like 4 straight days, and now the consequences of my actions are getting to me, and now I have to, along with the art mines, I have to fucking work in the programming mines now too. So, you know, that's just great. Don't bother me. Just a wee bit of stress. A wee bit. Oh god, C++? No way, is that Grandpa Pesto? Dude. Now that's what I'm saying! No, how do you get... Yeah, true. I swear... Okay, hold on. I need to check something. BRB. Okay. Sorry, okay. I'm like scrolling. I'm like scrolling through the entirety of the GG server just to check if you like advertise my fucking Twitch channel there or something. Cause like I don't know, like no, like I don't know. I don't know if that should just be a thing. Me, Java. Yeah. I'm stuck. Yeah, unlike you, who's stuck in the who has experience with Java. I mean, okay, me too. I mean, sorta. I mean, I'm primarily more of a C# type of person, but like, nah. I have to work with. Okay, to be fair, I'm working with C++. Like, with my own volition. I love them C's. There's only like one C, and the others are just pluses. Let's be real. Validate. Oh, that's how it is. Oh, am I fucking stupid? Hold up. Playing the C family. True. Okay, so if all goes well, we might not even need this notification. Alright, there you go. Alright, let's see if that works. LMAO, I quit my software job a week ago. Damn, really? Okay, I saw your tweet, but like, damn. I'm just doing software as a hobby. I mean, I was gonna, I'm pursuing software as a career right now, but things can change. I understand. They should make a new language and call it CC and make it green. True as fuck, dude. Yeah, I'm cybersecurity now. Nice. How is it, honestly? Cause like, you can do it, Miss Annie. Thank you. I be trying my best. Hopefully, all my hard work has paid off. I mean, it's not really hard, but it's hard for some. So I get to yell at people. Damn. What an honor. Going from the yell to the yeller. Fuck yeah. Oh, I still have this open. God damn it. On top of your mod gig in the in the shoebox, yeah. There's probably there's probably a G language. You know what that means, right? Hold up. I need to check something. Programming languages. List of programming languages. Okay. Surprisingly, I got a lead for stand up by Miss Annie. Have fun. Bye, Bye, Grandpa Pesto. Thank you. Thank you, truly. So real, that true. This two is Auto Fister. Yeah. Surprisingly, there doesn't seem to be a language that's literally just called G. Yeah. Thank you, Grandpa Peso, for real though. I hope you stop by again sometime. It's fun. Yeah, there's G code. Yeah, but I don't know. That's not the same. That's not the same as like having like what? I remember like what? Let me see. Yeah, there's a J plus plus. There's a Z plus plus, an X plus plus, a fucking V, T, S, R plus plus, P, okay. I'm looking for like single single letters right now. K. We already addressed J. F. Okay, well, yes, F is a thing. E. What the fuck is? What the hell is E? Her Romagia's Gigi? Yeah. True as fuck. What the fuck is E, bro? Hell, I just spit on my keyboard. I'm sorry. We gotta do it. True. E is an object-oriented programming language for secure distributed computing by Mark S. Miller. Right. Okay. Website E writes. Damn. E on it's a Java wrapper. God damn it. Fucked up in the crib, coding in C and E. The worst part is it just seems it seems like what E is more of like a interpreted sort of language. The HTML looking page really adds to the vibe. True. Hashtag true. On try. I can try E online. Holy shit! Wait, this is huge. Never mind. You know what? Fair enough. God, this is so sad. True. God. What kind of what kind of search engine even is that? It's my routers. Whenever it fails to find like a DNS, it just goes to like that for some reason. I don't know. It's fucked up. Yeah, sorry, I docked myself. Yeah, I'm on AT&T. I'm American. I'm sorry. God. I really need to see what E is. It's fucking E. I wonder if anyone's made anything functional with E yet. I'd really want to see. How could you be American? Sorry, my bad. B? Is there an A? Okay, no, there's not. I'm so surprised there's not just a straight up A. I mean, there's an A sharp, but like I don't know, that really counts. There's assembly language, right? Apple script. Was this made by Apple? Well, who would have guessed? It's still a thing. What up? Like, is Apple script still widely used this day? I wonder. Ah, I see. Wait, I need to check something. V. Verse. Yeah, oh my god, it's verse. Dude. The Fortnite the Fortnite programming language. Is Holy C in there? Probably, honestly. I like wait, what? Okay, no, I'm just tripping. I'm sorry. I thought I saw something like super fucked up, but whatever. Yep, it's right there. Yep, that's Holy C, alright. Why wouldn't it be there? If fucking dude, if Verse is here, of course. Like, let's just be for real here right now. Like, trying to look for Verse right now. Sorry. Yeah, Verse is there. Yeah, didn't you see? Look, it's Verse. The static. Oh shit. A static type or object-oriented language created by Epic Games that was made specifically for Fortnite. I can be for real. Yeah, truly. I know, Mr. Ethan. I know you can be. There's plans to have Verse in Unreal Engine 6. I see. I remember. Okay, this happened. Okay, I showed this off in a stream like a while ago, but like, okay, I don't know if any people know this, but like in Fortnite UEFN, uh, like objects have like a physical representation, right? And that includes like every script ever. I think I show you guys what the fuck like what a script what like the physical representation of a script look like in Fortnite. Which is like even yeah, the fucking Fall Guys map. Yeah, it's crazy to think about, but like hold up. Can I just search this up? Like hold on, Fortnite computer. Okay, well, okay, I'm not gonna. Okay, well, I'm not gonna get it like that, but goodness me. Really, it's a shame because UFN has like a lot of potential, like in my opinion as well. But most of it has just been made to like make like not even like Roblox type games, just like brain rot games in general. Honestly, it's a little bit of a shame, as. All right, let me see something now. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, of course it's not gonna. Hold on. All right, I got you. So you do have to suppress internal truth. There you go. Yep. And only then shall it do its thing. Its little thing. Yep, yep. Unreal adopting verse might be kind of cool because blueprints are kind of weird. Yeah, that was the whole point of verse. Like replace like the idea of blueprint in general, or like, at least that's what I heard. You can't work 100% with C++. Yeah. And in that sort of way, it's sort of like how Godot does everything with like C++ and GD script, but for Unreal. Right, okay, so... At least it works, honestly. God damn. Hell yeah. Alright, nice. Good to know. Alright, nice. With that being out of the way, let's just, pretty smooth so far, no lie. Let's see, base. Rubicon conductor. Fix long load times. There you go, and then for this, base introduce. Excuse me. This Rubicon time change array. There you go. Hell yeah. Oops, my bad. I like the type yappy streamer, by the way, never get rid of it. Yeah, I know. That's just what I am, honestly. You can do more stuff in C++, it's just slower and more of a pain in the ass in Godot. Honestly, okay, you have the... What I'm learning from this is that you have the same potential, almost the same potential as you do in GDScript with C++. Obviously, okay, in C++ you can make more stuff private and stuff like that, but you have almost equal potential in GDScript is what I'm realizing. But it's not. Let's just be fair. It's not very well documented. It's also the fact with C++, you could just bake shit into your Yeah, GDScript just cut down C++ pretty much. Yeah, in terms of function, how it functions inside Godot itself. Yeah, you're completely right about that. It's just what? Excuse me. I had to swallow some things for a second. GDScript is just cut down C++ pretty much. Yeah. I will say, I don't. Okay, to be fair, I don't know how Unreal works in C++. I mean, C++ works in Unreal, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they have the same sort of parity, because although you can it's hard to explain. C++ and Godot, C++ and GDScript have almost the same functionality. Who knows how it's gonna be for C++ and Verse and Blueprint, Because I've never worked in Unreal before, so how should I know? I mean, granted, if I really tried limited, I'm not sure. I've never tried it. Yeah, damn, that's fucked up. It's what? Think about, fuck. I'm losing my train of thought. Ah. Oh yeah, speaking of my little shark grams earlier, you know an oomph of mine actually did make fan art of my things. Granted, he's never watched my streams, but I still really appreciate it. It's the best thing ever, honestly. you know? So oh yeah, I was gonna replace a time change array. Really? Yeah. Though it's not like it's publicly post or anything. It's pretty local to the GG Mooding uh Gram Mooding server, so you know. Just how it be. What will your art tag be? That's a good question. Let's invent that. Oh yeah, types is goated. I know types is goated. You remember that name, Lego? Tives? Ads? Yeah. I suppose I shall wait. Should I remember that name? Yeah, I mentioned it in a project we were working on. Tives, I mean. Like, his sort of style, I mean. Validate time change list. I feel like I should change this to, what? Let's import, include Rubicon time change array. There you go. But I did, but I don't remember 100%. Yeah. Search it up sometime in the server. That's right. People ask me to make a server too, like an art tag and everything. God, goodness me. What I missed in the last minute and a half? We're just talking about if Lego remembers Tives, and also like what the hell my art tag would be, because I never really thought of that. you know. Damn. Should I just think about? Should I think about my tax later? I really should, shouldn't I? Huh. Goodness. What y'all mean art tag? So usually on like Twitters and like just VTubers in general, they have they have like certain tags where it's like related to like closely up like how Gigi Moonin has like an arcade GGK tag that you put to tag Gigi Moonin related art posts. Um, and then there's also like her live stream tag, which is what hashtag LFG GIGI. Just just things related to like the streamer slash VTuber. Though I usually see a lot more in like VTuber spaces, because I think VTubers are a lot more I guess friendly in that regard. I need to convert this. Let's see. I guess was this okay? Yes, it was a resource. So I could just do ref Rubicon time change array. Let's make this now. Time change array. There you go. That should work. Relatively well, of course. There you go. Hell yeah! I don't have 4.9k points. Yeah, I probably could have spent some. No lie. God damn. Yeah, add some rewards at one point for you, for real. Yeah, I probably should. I need to like take I need to like take some sort of break to to probably should probably try and set everything up. But then I also have a bunch of projects to work on too and stuff like that. So, and not to mention like college homework. I think I could just like take a whole week off of streaming, uh, aside from like Fortnite Fridays, because I just made that up. I'm gonna every Friday I'm just gonna stream Fortnite, because I think it'd be fucking awesome. God, I'm thinking. Sorry, but Yeah, Friday night Fortnite. I mean, yeah. You're not even wrong. Um, time change array. So let's set the time change array. Let's see. Rubicon time. Not really an array. Just whatever this thing is. Ha. Hold on. I'm gonna. Yeah, hold on. Y'all can listen to like music or something. I recently just watched my sh- my headphone muffs just recently, and now they're getting like really, they're still wet, so I think they're like seeping to my ears. I need to like make myself comfortable again. I'll I'll be right back. Hold up. How do I do this? There you go. See you in a bit. Hi, I'm back. Hello. Hi. What's going on in chat? I need to look. Are you gonna give a sub to somebody? That's crazy. Unfortunately, you only want to give it to Mr. Ethan over here. Damn. Hello. Yeah, I'm back. I wonder how much the delay is. Like, okay, starting from like one, 2, 3. Now, I want you to tell me like how like long the delay is. Miss Annie, you aren't slick. I got that notif. Are you expecting me not to like get on my phone and just scroll through Twitter while I'm taking a piss and also like like remaking my head comfortable with my headphones? God damn. I bet I was gone for like what, at least like 5 minutes. Like I don't know why you're not surprised by that. Though maybe I suppose it's just me. Oh, right, okay. I gotta change this to Rubicon Champ. Right, okay. Change all these little things. There you go. And then for Rubicon Conductor, CPP, let's see. Yeah, okay, so it's obviously gonna produce a bunch of errors. The jailbird's coming through on Fat Fuck Friday, dude. Unironically, I've been a jailbird before I was a a gram. Just literally just because Reese's yapping ability is just like immaculate. Honestly, god damn, I could listen to that woman yap for like hours. Goodness me. I just love that yapping. Especially listen if I'm just like I'm just chilling. I pop one of those on and I pop a yapping stream on just like chill out. Probably the best sort of experience I have while personally while I'm like driving a car or something. So let's see. So if if time if time change ray uh is null or and valid time change array then time change array boop data and then clear. Hell yeah, there you go. Get current step right. Okay. Okay, so if time change array is null or time change array is not valid. There you go. Let's check that. Just check that to make sure. Rubicon conductor. Blah blah blah. Current step is empty. Right. Okay. Or time change array. Data dot is empty. There you go. Then we do all that sort of thing. Let's copy paste as per usual. And this as per usual. There you go. And then return ref Rubicon time change. There you go. Hell yeah. Now, as for this, then let's redirect that to data instead. And we shall do the same for every single one of these. The Advent as a unit were like my first Oshis for a week until I found G through the Copying Baby show. Fair enough. Surprised you don't have a GG Plus yet. GG Friends with You still in pre-order and coming September. Yeah, but was that true? But does that even have a plushie? That is the plushie. The GG Friends with You is the plushie. I have a bunch of shit on pre-order right now. God damn. Alright, so it's probably not the best use case of my you know. But, you know, whatever. Let's see, what's wrong here? There must be something wrong here. What's wrong here? Hum. Oh, right. Gotta change it to that now. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Oops. I'm just a silly little gal. Let's see. Honestly, hold up. I'm sick and tired of doing this shit. Validate time change array. There you go. So let's validate time change array. There you go. And then excuse me. So if time change array. Alright, so error, fail. Condition be message. Array. Alright, and then honestly, time change is empty could just be like, this. There you go. Hell yeah! Alright, no. Something like this. There you go. Real hell yeah. Alright. Red val, false. Change array is, let me check something. So is valid. Okay, yeah. Data is empty. I could just do that. There you go. What am I doing? And then I could just do return time change array is valid. There you go. Hell yeah. That's all I really need. No. Time change array object. There you go. Something like that. Hopefully that works. Excuse me. Huh. Actually, now I think about it. Reset could just be, time change array equals no pointer. I guess. I mean, what else would you make it? So get time change array. No, because it's just not gonna work like that. It could. Never mind. It could. Actually, hold on. I could just make it a... Make this. And it also works. a no type thing. There you go. I'm so smart. Now get current step, validate. If not validate, then do that. And I shall spam this for every single thing. Cause it's just easier that way to keep track of. Yay! And then as for this, then return. Oh, okay, hold up. It is static, right? Okay, great. So, P time changes. P changes is null or, P changes is not valid, then 0.0f. The provided time change array is null or invalid. There you go. Hell yeah! And then now I can do this sort of thing. P time changes, is valid. Then return. What song was this again? I see. I could just, yeah, just do a little bit of that. That shall be fine. What the fuck? Just noticed Peso Sharkgram was taken out back. Yeah, yeah! Damn, that's fucked up. Bro got fucked up. Miss Annie is a jailbird. Okay, look. Have you seen my Oshi list? I'll just be like straight up with you. Bro, Gone with No Trace? I mean, they're still VODs. Let's be real. Goodness me. Okay, Gone with a Trace. Yeah, exactly. Hold up. Da 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 da. Sorry, I'm checking a lot of things right now. Change price is not valid. That could just be it, honestly. Goddamn. Just add a little bit of that to Ah, I see. Right. And I have to do this as well. For let's see. Something like this. There you go. And I have to convert everything else as well. Ugh. Has no member back. Right, okay. Data. I always have to point it to data. Yeah. There you go. Hopefully this shall be fine. Hopefully, anyway. There you go. If validate times change array, because that's what I name from now on. There you go. Hell yeah. Time change, if time's turn, yep, otherwise. Yeah, time change are pretty important here. So let's just, there you go. What? What's up? Oh, right, okay. Honestly, okay, hold on. I could just do, if not validate time change array, then return. There you go. Excuse me. Goodness. Oops. Oh, it's just change a bunch of shit. Alright, and then I think at this point all I have to do is, yeah, change like the bind methods here as well. Time change array. Time change array. There you go. Cause that is different. Cause that needs to be. And this needs to be, there you go. Not gonna show right away, but you know. Just how it has to be. Oh yeah, that's right. Object. And then... excuse me. Resource type. Oh yeah, it do be a resource type, yeah. Subclass can be... I didn't know that they actually came with comments like that. That's good to know. Huh. Interesting. I mean, I don't know why it wouldn't like, either way, but you know. Good to know. I should probably put like array trace or something like that. Like, whatever the property for that was called. But yeah, I think everything... No, okay, no, this has to be a time change array. There you go. Alright, let's see if... No, something doesn't work. What doesn't work? Ah, I see. Right. Right, change array. There you go. Now we just wait a little bit, because my PC is just fast as fuck now. Holy shit, Hollow Idol might have a GG Mooding background. Oh my god. I need to play Hollow Idol. On Steam. I need to buy Hollow Idol. Wait, what happened now? Function must return a value? Oh, right. Ugh, whatever. Measure range MS. Let's see, what's wrong now? Ah, return. It returns nothing. Right. Am I stupid? There you go. My bad. My bad. That was really damn fast. What happened? What? Right, hold on. Cannot Ah! Right. Because of course I'm gonna do that. Well, whatever. Alright, let's see. Measure range to MS, right? What's wrong? Con time change. What? 137. So it's happening at 137. No, it isn't. What the fuck am I talking about? Cannot convert. Argument 3 from that to that. Right. I didn't ask for that though. What? Huh. Am I fucking stupid? Oh, the compile time? Yeah. Cannot convert from const type to array. What? But I didn't save this at though. What the fuck? What are you talking about? Huh. const typed. Yeah, no. Nothing like that exists. Let me see. Just again. Const type. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, nothing exists like that here. What the fuck are you talking about? Hold up. Or no, more like. No, I know. I know. It's note data, isn't it? It's note data. That's my bad. I have to convert everything as well. Goodness me. Then time changes. Honestly, hold on. Recon time change array rate. Okay. Include. Not cling format. Rubicon time change array. I just use a little bit of that instead. There you go. And this should be able to get some use out of it now. Here we go. Hell yeah. Alright, let's see what's gonna be wrong now. Right, okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to copy this. No V in here, because it's not returning anything, alright. And then, V change is valid, return, yeah, there you go. Oops, didn't mean to do that, sorry about that. And like, that should be it, right? Yeah, okay. So, now all I have to do is just copy this typing, and then just do that for like everything else. Because that's just what I have to do, apparently. Ah. What the fuck am I doing here? What? Hold up. We're gonna change. Am I stupid? Alright, let's see. Alright, so I've done that. Section data. Okay, no, yeah, that's type changed. Okay, there you go. Section data. There you go. And chart data shall be that as well. There you go. Hell yeah. And then that. I'm just saying a bunch of shit right now. I think I already said that, but you know, whatever. God. And this is saver, right? I'm gonna have to do all that. But for now, convert data. Just change the typing right here to that. Yep, and then row data. Right, here you go. And this should be satisfactory. There you go. How about that? Yeah! And then chart data. I almost got 500 messages in the chat. Yeah. Honestly, not even surprised. SV convert time change. What? Oh, yeah, right. Time fucking scroll velocities. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Whatever. Yeah, that's right. Data, and then I'm gonna have to add the whole null check thing too. Let me go back to a note data right here. And then copy this whole thing. There you go. Hell yeah. That's it. Okay, no. I'm gonna have to, there you go. Is this just BGM? Not really much going on there. No, you know what? Fair enough. It is. I don't know what I was expecting, but you know, whatever. Oh wait, this is nice. Ah, damn. Oh, didn't mean to do that. My bad. There you go. P time changes. And then that should be it for that. And now I'm going to do the Ruby chart loader as well now. Let's see. Goal velocity. Oh yeah, that's right. I don't. Ruby chart didn't have a time change property. It was meta. It was the metadata that had it. Well, I mean, not like it's there right now, but you know. I'll just change this just in case. There you go. Set time changes. Bloop. Bloop. There you go. And then for song meta, let's see. Set time changes. Yeah, here you go. The properties is what I want to do. Let's not make this an array. Make this an object, actually. Property resource type. And let's make this a Rubicon time change. Time change array. There you go. Oh, there's more stuff. Of course there's more stuff. What's wrong now? Ah, I see. Yes. Actually, wait. Hold up. I could just... Hold on. Convert data. I could just put this in a time change array, right? Cause I could just do that now. So what? Void convert data. Excuse me. My bad. God, I'm working so hard. Oh, worker harder. Rubicon time change. What's it called? Convert data? Just that. And then... something like that. What? Is it undefined? Is it undefined? What the hell? No, it's there, alright. Just, not in the way I anticipated. There you go. It's not const. There you go. That's on me. On me! And we should base this off data. Oh, I see. Okay, so... we just include Rubicon conductor up in here. And as for the song meta... we don't even need this. To be on, TPH. There you go. But we do need that, so... const type array, yep. Did I, yeah, okay, I did do that for that. We don't need Rubicon conductor. Or do we? Do we? Yes, we do. What do we need it for? Ah, I see. Yes. Wasn't it? Did it not define a song meta? Huh. Guess I'm tripping. Am I? Yes, I am tripping. Alright. Let's see. Include. Rubicon time change array. There you go. I think that should be it for now. So much definitions. Yeah. Let's see. Is that it? Should be it. I mean, I hope that's it. Alright, let me sit back and just... just sit back and relax. Get in the Fortnite position. Oh, great. What's now? Rubicon scroll. Oh, I see. I didn't actually define it. Right. Cause of course. Of course. Um. Wait, sorry. Okay, that doesn't need anything. But, ask for, what? Chart data. Right, okay. Got it. Include a Rubicon time change array. There you go. Let's just do that for everything else. And I mean everything else. Convert data. Blah, blah, blah. Note data. Okay, no, I did put it there. Not here. There you go. There you go. That should hopefully try to fix it. I'm not sure. What a shame. Me when things don't work, and I get angry because things don't work, and I get frustrated, and I feel like killing myself. You know, on another note, I forgot to even mention this somewhere, like anywhere, but like one of my friends went to like Off-Kai, right? And they actually and I asked them to get a bunch of merch for me, and I sent them like a bunch of money, and you know, I don't know, they actually did send like a bunch of shit that they got. One of them was like a really cute like Ayami Mint Phantom standee. Hold on, let me see if I can try and take a picture. Hold on. It's really cute. Look at this. Hold up. Where should I send this? Can I just use KDE? Hold up. Lets me use KDE. I don't have KDE on here. That's right. All right, whatever. I only have KDE on my iPad. The stream cut off right as you start talking. I don't know what you're talking about. Wow. All right, I'll say it again. So, my friend, one of my friends went to Off-Kai, and I asked them to get like a bunch of shit for me. So I sent them like a bunch of money. And I mean, to their credit, they actually did buy a bunch of shit. Like I asked them, and they said they would, and they sent it to me, like you know, through shipping. And what I got? Okay, wait, look. Yeah, look at this. I got like I got like an Ayami Mint Phantom stand. Everyone, look at this. All 7 of you on stream right now. Hold up. All eyes on stream. I need to show something. It's really awesome. Okay, well, I don't know why my wall looks so yellow. I swear, it's just my lights. My lights are really yellow. I mean, I guess they should be, or maybe not. I'm not sure what's good and what is in terms of lights. But yeah. Oh my god, that is huge. God damn. Hold up. Let me try and fix that. Remedy that. Blah, 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 blah. Everyone, all eyes, all eyes. Look at my. Okay, this is really big. Holy shit. There you go. Reasonable size. All eyes, all eyes. Look at my awesome fucking Ayami Mint Phantom stand that my friend got for me. It's so awesome. From Off-Kai. Holy fire, true. Accurate Doki and Mint size difference. Yeah, true. Not even gonna dispute that. That's 100% true by me. Even though it obviously isn't, due to just their vibes in general. Goodness me. But yeah, it's so awesome. Look at it. Look at her. She's so cute. And now I have her permanently on my PC forever. Also, peak Doki case. Yeah, I've showed this already. Like you know. I showed my Doki case already. God damn. Ugh. Look at her. She's so pretty. She's so pretty, and I love her, and I want to hug her, and I wanna do so many things, so many wholesome and nice things to her, genuinely, because she's so cute. Is this fucking? Is this? Hold on. Is this Flower Night? No, it's specifically Night of Nights. Okay, interesting. She's so cute. God, words cannot like can words cannot like describe how much I love these goddamn VTubers. God. Although it's only a select, it's only a select few, and it's not like it's not like super like, it's not like super like non-mainstream or anything, but still, I love them. I love them dearly. I always had this. The Doki case was one of the most expensive parts of the PC. By the way, yeah, it was. I believe the Doki case costs more than my fucking than my GPU. And of course, what's happening now? Huh. I probably forgot to where is it? Yeah, here we go. What? Actually, no. What the fuck? What? Why is it doing that? The hell? Oh, I really don't want to do this, man. Come on. Huh. Are you serious? Are you fucking kidding me, man? Why is it crashing out of, like, now of all times? I'm so close to, like, wrapping up the stream, and now I just have to spend more time on this now. It wouldn't be the bin pewter with a Doki case. It's not the bin pewter. Don't call it that. God. Only true fans would know my actual PC case name. Okay, so is it because Rubicon Conductor is there? Let's see. Okay, it is. So it's something to do with me adding Rubicon Conductor. Right. Data needs to have at least one time change, right? And then, so, what if I do this, and set it to BPM 180? Alright. Let's save that, close it. Open it up. Right, anti-tech tips, my bad. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so it seems to work. It's literally just like the invalid property thing, which that's fair enough. All right, case closed. Nice. I didn't have to do that much. Nice. So let's see. Oops, my bad. What? I thought I already. What? Okay, no, I did. No, okay, I did do that. Never mind. Sorry. Maybe I'm tripping. So all change. Wait, hold up. Okay, no, I did define it. Okay, good. Otherwise, it wouldn't have worked. Changed. Typed array Rubicon time change to Rubicon, I guess time change array? Yes, yes. There you go. Hell yeah, there you go. And now we just commit. modules update. Oops, update Rubicon Core submodule. Oh my god, Doki getting a new outfit after the summer one already? Seriously? Hold up, I need to check this on my phone, of course, not on stream. Let me see. Holy shit, you're right. I mean, to be fair, it is her birthday. Let's be real now. But that's fucking awesome. God damn. I wonder if I should tune in. I remember what when I tuned in for when I started stream. I didn't I didn't expect Doki would I should probably time this more oft better. But like I should have checked when Doki was streaming, because like apparently she was streaming directly at like 1-8, like literally the exact same time that I started streaming. So you know what? I mean, at that point, like, you know, point of no return. But you know, whatever. Though, I am glad that I got things working. So you know, that's always awesome. God damn, I could just finally just sit back and relax. Ugh. God. Let's fucking go for real. I wonder if I should like steer course from like fucking from programs like directly to Fortnite, or if I should just end stream here, honestly. I know it's like a whatever I feel like scenario, but you know, just I just want to ask you know, the entire chat just to make sure. Ugh. But yeah. Either way, I'm closing you down for right now. That was good though. I mean, if you do, I'll be watching as always. Yeah, I know you'll be for sure. God. Wait, hold up. Yep. Yeah, a lot of things have been yeah, there you go. Hell yeah. God. I feel like most of the flex. I feel like something you get like just a slight bit of flexibility. It's just that, you know, you get to you could just change categories on the fly. I think that's super neat. All right, hold up. Let me shut down this VM. There you go. I'm hoping to shut it down by clicking the shutdown button. Okay, yeah, it did. Nice. God. Imagine you actually clicked on your PC's Windows menu. Like, I don't think that's happening, because if so, like, I recognize it because there's a lot more things on my actual Windows setup, on my start menu at least. So that's me. Let me see. Alright, you know what? Alright, so honestly, the real challenge now comes now, and it's me trying to survive in a Fortnite diamond match. I guess. You know what? No. Actually, I'll restrain myself for Fortnite Fridays, as always. And also I have to make my I also have to, like, make my art tags and everything too, and everything like that. It's just, you know, people ask for that kind of shit. So, all right. So with that being said, everyone that's here right now, thank you for being here. Like, for real. If like I specifically made your some of your days better, you know, That's that'd be really good to hear. I don't know. I don't know how to explain. I don't know how to phrase it like any other way. But that's what I'm here for. It's bye bye time. Yeah. Unfortunately, it is. Cause I have to show self restraint and everything. But yeah, to any there's been a bunch more viewers here than usual. But even to like the VOD watchers out there, thank thank you for watching sincerely. I've seen like I've checked my VOD channel stats recently, and there's been like a surprising amount of watch time for some reason, and for that I just want to I really do appreciate things like that. Like I don't know, I just never expect that because I don't typically do that myself, but it's like super appreciated. But yeah, with that being said, I'll see everyone later. Most likely tomorrow because it's Friday. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye bye everyone. Bye. See ya.